Hi everyone, this is Alexander Antsipov, and in this video I am going to show how to create a mobile application which uses camera. I will use Appery mobile framework in their new editor Ionic 4. First, let's create new application Ionic 4 with name Camera App. Application is ready, and now let's create the UI of our application. Open screen 1. And then let's add button. After typing on this button, we will invoke camera feature. But to do it, first let's import corresponding plugin, which is named camera. So let's import. So as you see, camera service was imported, and in request we can see different parameters such as quality, destination type, source type, and other. Let's come back to screen 1, and then let's add data source. Specify camera service, and let's provide name of our data source as camera. Don't forget to press save. Then go back to design mode. By the way, let's rename the text from button to camera, and then open event panel. Here select our button, specify event click, and action invoke service. And here specify service camera. Press save. So after that we can generate native build Android and iOS. So I will generate Android build. My build is ready, and I already installed it on mobile phone, and now on the screen you see the screen of real mobile phone. So let's press camera button and take a picture. So as you see, we were able to run camera, but now let's show photo which we made in the screen. For that, let's add image component and add attribute src, and also the value of attribute will be src, and then let's add variable with the same name. Then open data and make mapping. So expand response of our service and map file src on src variable. So let's make it again. Press save and replace. And since value of src by default will be undefined, so let's add *ng if attribute with value also src. So let's press save and test again. Now we see again screen of our mobile application. Let's press camera button, take a photo, press OK, and now on the screen we see the photo which we did a few seconds ago. That is all what I wanted to show you in this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel.